Hey, it's at the Rough Country. A reliable source of air that is readily available is a non-negotiable when you're putting in the miles with your Toyota Tacoma, and we've got you covered with Rough Country's under-seat compressor kit. Combining the performance of Rough Country's twin motor compressor with the convenience of having onboard air, this kit gives you the confidence and capacity to efficiently air up your tires. The placement purpose is to utilize the negative space you have under your seat in a positive way, which is a win across the board when it comes to your truck system. This kit includes Rough Country's twin motor compressor. With a 100% duty cycle, you can count on consistent CFM and PSI 100% of the time. The compressor bracket is constructed of 14 gauge powder coated steel that is designed to functionally fit under the seat of your Tacoma with a tactical look. It also includes front and rear seat risers for both the driver and passenger seat. The front risers are made with 11 gauge powder coated steel, and the rear risers are made with a cold rolled steel. These lift your seat up 1.5 inches, which not only creates the needed space for the compressor to mount, but that many Tacoma owners have found to improve posture and comfort. The quick connect coupler and plug allows you to easily connect your air hose and gauge in a matter of seconds. Included is a roll of Teflon tape for sealed fitment. All the necessary hardware, power wiring, harness, and a rocker switch for a simple on and off comes with this kit. Air pressure is a mandatory thing to monitor whether you're on-road or off-road. Make sure you're prepared with the means to air up your tires no matter where you are with Rough Country's under-seat compressor kit for the Toyota Tacoma. You can get this kit and other mods to build your Tacoma with at roughcountry.com.